Do you know you can make your low budget okra soup and everyone will eat it and they will think you've spent a lot of money to prepare this? Those are the ingredients I'll be using. Yes, they are not more than this. What I have here is my spinach, and I have habanero pepper there. I have palm oil, I have salt, and I have locust beans, iru. What I have there is my seasoning I'll be using, and I have cow there, which people call potash. It is optional, no problem. You can also use baking soda instead of cow. That is our okra, the main ingredient for today. I've already washed it and it is ready. I'm just going to take one handful out of this and let's get it started. I'm just going to pack all this together and I am going to cut it. I'm going to cut it in chunk sizes, bite sizes. I'm not going to dice it so small pieces. I'm just going to leave it this chunky size. Can you see how it is? That's how I'm going to do everything. Look at the size. I'm using this medium to say thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. Thank you so much for all the likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for sharing these videos. Thank you to all you my subscribers, especially my active subscribers. Newcomers, you're also welcome. Remember to subscribe, leave a comment, let me know you are there. So I will just cut the remaining okra, add it into my blender with some water and blend it. That's what I have after blending it. So into the blender, I'm just going to blend this habanero and onion together. That's what I have. Now I'm going to add a little bit of palm oil into it and I'm just going to cover it and allow it to cook. In another pot, I've boiled some water, not too much water. I just threw in my cow. If you don't want to use cow, just add a little bit of baking soda, add the blended okra into it. Give it a good mix. Allow it to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now take it off the cooker. Let's continue. So let's check our pepper mix. You can see it cooking and bubbling. I gave it a gentle mix. I'm just going to add locust beans into it now. And I will get the mackerel fish. That's the smoked mackerel fish we are using today. I added it into it. After that, I added salt. I added seasoning into it as well, and I added some water. Yes, all I need to do now is just to give it a gentle mix, and I'm now just going to cover it and let them cook together. This has been cooking for about 5 to 7 minutes. I opened it, gave it a gentle mix, and I added the okra into it. This is slimy. So I mixed everything together because they all have to become one. After that, I added our chunk bite sizes okra into it and I mixed them well. It's now time to add the spinach as well. That is well washed. I mix them all together and allow it to cook for about 3 minutes. So all I need to do now is to taste for salt and adjust. Look at it. Can you see how slimy it is? So lovely. Now get what you want to eat it with. This is what I have. I have my pounded yam. Do you have fufu? Do you have gari? Do you have amala? It goes well with this. Now serve this okra. I bet it. Anyone that will taste this one, they will give you kudos. So wash your hands and come and join me. Oh my goodness. Can you see what I'm having here? Can you see how slimy the aroma in this kitchen and lovely is? Above all, the taste is super delicious, yet so simple and affordable soup. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, remember to like, remember to share. Thank you so much. Love you all. See you next time. Bye bye.